Real food cooking involves lots of fresh produce. And here's the shopping that I have done, which will cover for approximately the next 2 weeks. You can see I've got a lot of broccoli and some pea pods, which I'll use in some stir fry, some salads. Back here, some romaine, carrots, celery, zucchini from my garden, cucumbers. Also have the staples, onions and garlic, sweet potatoes, and of course, regular potatoes. I have a little bit of fruit, but I usually focus heavily on the vegetables. Got some mangoes, some green apples, lemons, limes, bananas, and some strawberries. I also like to get a big clam of spinach, which I will mix in with the romaine, and to make delicious salads. All of this is real food cooking, whole food cooking, that is going to be delicious and nutritious. This is where the Pampered Chef products really shine, because this is a lot of dicing and slicing and chopping, and Pampered Chef tools will make this job quick and easy, and yes, even fun.